Meet the lesser bird of paradise, a masterpiece of nature's design. It is famous for its vibrant yellow head and striking iridescent green throat. Its most iconic feature is the cascading trail of yellow feathers that resemble golden clouds. In the wild, they thrive on a diet of tropical fruits and small insects.
But the true spectacle begins when the male prepares to perform. Several males gather at a lek, a communal stage used for elaborate courtship.
With rhythmic calls and synchronized moves, they dance to win a mate. The female, though modest in brown plumage, is the ultimate judge of this performance.
Only the most graceful and vibrant male will be chosen. These birds are predominantly found in the western regions of New Guinea.
Scientifically known as Paradisaea minor, they are a symbol of forest health.
They prefer the high canopy, staying far above the forest floor for safety. While not currently endangered, their survival depends on their habitat. Protecting these forests ensures the music of the paradise birds never fades.
A true icon of biodiversity and natural beauty.
For centuries, they have been hailed as birds of the gods.
Their presence is vital for seed dispersal in the rainforest. A reminder that nature's most beautiful wonders are often the most fragile.
The lesser bird of paradise, the gold of the forest.